In this tutorial, you'll learn how to complete and submit an assessment. To begin, open the assessment you want to complete from the assessments list. If the assessment has been assigned to you, it will also appear in the Assigned to Me section of the dashboard. Once the assessment opens, you'll see the assessment sections displayed in the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Select each section in the navigation panel to move through the assessment. The currently selected section is highlighted, making it easy to identify your location. The Overview section contains general information about the assessment. If updates are needed, click the pencil icon within the appropriate widget to edit the information. The Photos/Documents widget displays all photos and documents that have been added to the assessment. The Linked Data widget displays information associated with the assessment. For example, if a case has been linked to the assessment, it will appear in this widget. Use the Annotations widget to add notes to the assessment as needed. The Activity Log provides a history of actions performed within the assessment. The Assets section displays information pulled directly from the student's profile. This information cannot be edited from within the assessment. To make changes, update the student's profile instead. The remaining sections contain the assessment questions. Answer each question using the appropriate response type. Required questions are identified by a red required indicator and must be completed before the section can be marked as complete. Depending on the assessment template, you may encounter text fields, drop-down lists, multiple choice selections, checkboxes, date fields, or other input types. After completing all required questions in a section, click Mark Complete before proceeding to the next section. Once a section has been marked complete, a gold ribbon will appear next to that section in the navigation panel. Your organization may configure assessments to save automatically as information is entered. If autosave is not enabled by default, you can turn it on by selecting the autosave toggle. If autosave is not being used, click Save periodically to preserve your progress while completing the assessment. Before submitting the assessment, review your responses to ensure they are complete and accurate. If necessary, return to any section to update your answers before submission. When the assessment is complete, click Submit. A confirmation message will appear asking you to verify that you are ready to submit the assessment. Once submitted, the assessment follows your organization's configured workflow. Depending on your organization's settings and your user permissions, the assessment may become read-only or move to the next step in the review process. The assessment has now been submitted successfully. You can return to the assessments list at any time to review submitted assessments or continue working on assessments that are still in progress.